Hi, and welcome to this video on dental new patient forms. My name is Kat and I'm a Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron. In this video, I'll introduce our dental new patient form templates and demonstrate how you can implement them within your healthcare practice. To begin, what is a dental new patient form? These documents are used during the intake process to gather information about the patient that will inform treatment. This includes their personal details, emergency contact information, health and medical information, and insurance information. In order to use the dental new patient form, simply follow these 4 steps. First, you need to access the template. It's a good idea to download the form and save it to your device, which leads us into step 2, making copies available. You never know when a new patient is about to book your services, so ensuring easy access to these forms is always a good idea. The next step is to distribute the form to patients so they can complete it, and then finally, you need to upload the data to your practice's system. As you can see on the right side of this screen, this is what our dental new patient form template looks like. It is separated into 6 sections. At the top is the patient information section, with the patient's details, address, and contact information. Underneath that is where patients can record the details of 2 emergency contacts. Next, there is space for health and medical information, including the patient's primary care physician, medical conditions, and medications if applicable. The insurance information section contains the patient's insurance carrier and plan. This allows dental practices to pre-validate a patient's insurance prior to them coming into the clinic. Underneath that is the employment status section, and then finally, a place for the patient to sign and date. You can also access the dental new patient form intake from within the Carepatron platform. As you can see on the left side of the screen, we're within the calendar view. If you click down below on templates, you'll be taken to the resource library. We recommend filtering by community templates in order to see the entire collection of available resources. You can also filter by keywords. And then when you have found the template that you want to work with, click on the blue Choose Template button and then assign the right client to the note. Now you're in a draft tab for the form and you can make the relevant changes before clicking down below on the Publish button to save securely.